Welcome to our lesson on design patterns. In this lesson, we will explore various design patterns that provide reusable solutions to common software design problems. Let's get started. Overview of design patterns. Design patterns are established solutions to recurring design problems in software development. They offer proven approaches for creating flexible, maintainable, and efficient software architectures. By applying design patterns, you can improve code reusability, modularity, and scalability in your projects. Design patterns are categorized into three main types: creational, structural, and behavioral patterns. Creational patterns. Creational patterns focus on object creation mechanisms. They provide ways to create objects while hiding the creation logic from the client. Here are some popular creational patterns. Singleton. The singleton pattern ensures that a class has only one instance, and it provides a global access point to that instance. Factory. The factory pattern provides an interface for creating objects, allowing subclasses to decide which class to instantiate. Builder. The builder pattern separates the construction of complex objects from their representation, allowing the same construction process to create different representations. Structural patterns. Structural patterns deal with the composition of classes and objects, focusing on how they are interconnected. Here are some widely used structural patterns. Adapter. The adapter pattern converts the interface of a class into another interface that clients expect. It enables the collaboration of incompatible interfaces. Decorator. The decorator pattern dynamically adds new behaviors to objects by wrapping them with decorator objects. It provides a flexible alternative to subclassing for extending functionality. Proxy. The proxy pattern provides a surrogate or placeholder for another object to control its access. It can be used to add extra functionality or control access to the original object. Behavioral patterns. Behavioral patterns are concerned with communication between objects and the assignment of responsibilities. They provide solutions for effective interaction and collaboration. Here are some commonly used behavioral patterns. Observer. The observer pattern establishes a one-to-many dependency between objects. When one object changes its state, all its dependents are automatically notified and updated. Strategy. The strategy pattern defines a family of algorithms, encapsulates each one, and makes them interchangeable within a context. It allows algorithms to vary independently from clients using them. Template method. The template method pattern defines the skeleton of an algorithm in a base class, allowing subclasses to provide specific implementations of certain steps. It promotes code reuse while providing flexibility for customization. Thank you for joining us in this lesson on design patterns. We hope you found the content informative and valuable. If you enjoyed the lesson, please show your support by liking this video and sharing it with others who may benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content and updates. We appreciate your support. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.